Hello, this is Dylan Stewart with BTE Outdoors. I'm going to show you a quick video on how to change your hook on your Ultraview hinge. First off, in your package, you'll get a little gold Allen key like this. And this screw right here, you will unscrew that. Make sure you don't lose it, it's very little. You unscrew it, and then in here, you'll take your Allen key, you put it in that hole. As you can see, you push this pin out. So once you get that pushed out, then the hook comes right out. You'll take your new hook with the click or the no click, whichever you decide on if you want to change it. You'll slide your pin back in. Slide the pin in the hole, like so. Take your Allen key, push it all the way in. You take your little set screw, put it on there, tighten it up. Snug it down, and then your hook's changed. That's all there is to changing out the hook from a click to no click. If you want to catch any more videos, like, subscribe. We'll be posting a shooting video on this here shortly. And then we'll be posting more videos in the upcoming future. Thank you for watching.